Hi guys, my name is Shaheen. One of the things I really enjoy doing during my weekends is go bowling with my friends at Dog Bowl. It has great atmosphere, they serve food and drinks as well. So while you're bowling, you can enjoy some food, snacks and have some drinks with your friends and have a blast with them. So one of my favorite time to go bowling is actually on Saturdays after midnight. Mainly because they are open all the way up to 3 a.m. and secondly, after midnight, the cost of one game is only £4.50. You get 50% student discount if you present your student card to one of the staff at the counter. My friends and I will only be paying £2.25 per person for one game. So this is my favorite night out. So I hope you go and try it for yourself as well. Have a nice day. Goodbye.